Okay, I want to make a quick video here on how I removed this harness from a 2003 to 2006. I'm pretty sure it's identical to 2001 to 2006 Tahoe Suburban Yukon, all Chevy GM models, um, trucks. So my problem is I have uh, I have this that broke off. I tried to snap it in. I tried to look up like how to put it back in with the spring and all that, but it just wouldn't click anymore, and it was just flimsy. So I do got this other side view mirror that my dog chewed up the cables. So I'm looking to swap in this harness into there. It is a right and a left, but they're identical. I got another set here that I could show you guys. You got these little tabs. The blue got it on the right, the black it's on the left, and same with this one. The blue is on the right and the black is on the left. So the harnesses are identical. I could just swap them out and it'll work. Alright, so I tried looking up on YouTube on how to do this, how to remove the harness, but I couldn't find anything. So I ended up tackling it and figuring it out myself, and I ended up doing it. So what I ended up doing, I got my first was remove the little puddle light here. It got a little harness that plugs in, which is on the harness. These two, it plugs in one and one there, one on each side. You remove that and you just put that on the side. So then next you want to start off with removing the glass. You start by pushing down on the corner, and you start here with your flathead. You start going around, and you're gonna see some little tabs here. You start going around on each tab, and you just take them all off from the motor. And then next you're gonna have, let me get this. This is a, where is it at? Right there. This is a T10 star bit that you have 4 screws there, which is one here, one here, one here, and one here. And you start going on each one of those. You take them all out, and that'll free out your motor. And next you're gonna have on the harness is gonna be this black cable that plugs into the motor. Show you that right here. You lift it up, and it's gonna go right in there into that opening there, and you take it off with the flathead. Let me show you what I mean. Okay. You just go in there and just pop it out, and that'll remove the cap there. So next you're gonna have that cable that I showed you is gonna go plugged in right in there. You yank that out, and that'll free out your motor. So then you're gonna have on the harness, you're gonna have this small white cable that plugs in right in there. So this cable plugs in right in there. Kinda hard to see, but it's right there. You just yank that out, and that'll free out all your harness. You're gonna have all these harnesses here, and then you're gonna have these big ones down here, which is you're gonna start pushing and pulling down. So you want to start going down, because these connectors are a little too big to go in through here. They're not really gonna fit. So it's easier to just push everything down, push everything all the way down, push and pull, and that's where you have your harness. And now I just repeat the process into this side view mirror, and I have a working side view mirror. And these are the tools that I use, just a flathead with the T10, and the knife. I ended up using it for the puddle light to bring it out, and I had a drill on handy just so I could remove the little T10 screws from the motor. And that's it.